Good morning to all of you. This is Ramcharan. I basically teach economics and business related subjects at Ekcel Academy, and I also teach at Mysore Institute of Commerce and Arts, Mysore. In this video, let us try to understand the overview of the economics CS Foundation syllabus. Now, if you look at the economics subject in CS Foundation, it is a subject on which 80 marks questions will be asked to you. So technically you will be answering 40 questions. Now this entire syllabus is divided into two parts, micro and macro. Now in micro there are 5 units and in macro there are 2 units. The 5 units which come under micro includes, the first one is fundamentals of economics, where we generally deal with the definitions of economics, the scope, importance, limitations. When we come to the second chapter, which deals with the law of demand and supply, we basically study the definitions of demand and supply, the laws of demand and supply, the exceptions, the importance, and the elasticity of demand and supply. The third unit in microeconomics deals with the consumer behavior. We try to understand consumer behavior with the help of two approaches. First one is the utility approach, and second one is the indifference curve approach. The third chapter deals with the theory of production and cost. Here we talk about different types of inputs, output, the different types of products that are produced, and the different time frames and how the production changes in different time frames. We also discuss about the costs, different types of costs, and its relationship with production is what we study. The next chapter is market analysis. In market analysis, to begin with, we try to understand revenue concept. We try to understand the total revenue, the difference between the cost and the revenue, and that leads to profits and different types of profits. After that, we go to the different types of markets, and markets include the perfect competition market and the imperfect competition markets. So this is more or less that we will study under microeconomics. The second part of the syllabus deals with macroeconomics, and in macroeconomics there are only 2 chapters. The first chapter deals with the overview of Indian economy. Here we try to understand the composition of Indian economy, which includes agriculture, industry, and services. We also try to understand the Indian economic functions, the statistics, and the facts related to Indian economy. We also study the latest trends in Indian economy, which includes GST and demonetization and other things. And the last chapter, or the last unit of the syllabus, will be studying money and banking. So in this chapter, we basically understand what exactly money is, the functions of money. We also deal with the roles and responsibilities of RBI, and we also deal with the functions of commercial banks. So this is more or less the overview of the entire economics syllabus for CS Foundation. I hope this would help you to gauge the entire syllabus and plan your studies for the foundation program. Thank you so much.